As we can see, there are two files on the desktop. Here we can see two files on the desktop, exported after testing with KIC software. They're both reflow profiles in PDF format. One represents the result without lead. We can open this lead-free one and take a look. Now, let's open the one without lead and check it out. Here, you can see the temperature of each heating zone displayed clearly. You can also see the conveyor speed here. Down below, it shows the slope, the preheat temperature and time, and then the reflow temperature and duration. This file is view only. You can check the data, but can't modify it. Then, in the C drive of our computer, KIC2000. In this folder, we have one for the reflow oven. These two are the original test files from KIC2000. They can be opened directly with the KIC2000 software. Alright, let's open KIC2000 now. Once it's open, go to the Profile tab. Here you can see the two profiles we've already tested. They're the same as the PGF files we saw on the desktop. Now let's double-click one to open and take a look. We can find the file and double-click to open it. Once it's open, you can see the temperature details here. On the top, we have the temperature data from our test. This part shows the highest temperature record, and below that, you can see the current temperature settings. The black line here represents the temperatures we've set right now. Here, the blue section can be modified. The purpose of editing. It is to run a simulation in the software. Now, I'll set the conveyor speed to 70. As you can see, a dotted line appears on the temperature profile. This dotted line shows how the profile changes after our adjustment. This dotted line shows how the profile changes after our adjustment. We can also modify the temperature settings here. For example, this zone is set to 255 degrees Celsius, and I'll change it to 265 degrees Celsius. You can see the updated temperature right here. After we modify the temperature, we can see the new profile take shape. The highest temperature here will also increase with our changes. Any adjustments we make are reflected in the peak temperature. When we want to use this modified profile for production, we can enter the new temperature values into the equipment software. We can enter the modified temperatures into the equipment software. This zone is set to 225 degrees Celsius. In the software's profile settings, we can adjust the simulated temperature here and also set the simulated conveyor speed. After finishing the changes, we can run production with this profile. KIC Product's actual profile will roughly follow the dotted line we saw earlier. After finishing the changes, we just click Start Device, and the machine begins normal heating.